Okay. Show me how you do it. Oh, that's the whistle. What'd you do? Oh, there you go. Is this your new favorite toy? What do you say, Great Mimi?
Thank you.
I'll have to put this on Facebook so she can see it.
Cheese.
You want me to stop the video? No.
I will eat all the videos. All the videos.
Uh-oh. That stops a lot.
Yeah, do.
Yeah, it does. You mean yeah, it does. Say yeah, it does.
Yeah, it does.
There you go.
It is faster.
It is getting faster.
Oh, that was really faster.
Wait till we get the one for our Christmas tree out.
Oh yeah, for Christmas. But this is not for Christmas.
No. This one's just for fun. All right. Well, I'm going to turn the video off. Say thank you to her one more time.
Thank you one more time.
Thank you one more time. Thanks, Grandma.